day, I watched the documentary that titled The Mystery of Magnetism. The aspect of magnetism were highlighted are magnetism and electricity, which represent different aspect of force of electromagnetism. Yes, there are real-world application and example magnetic phenomena depicted in the documentary, such as magnets have a wide range of application in our daily lives, from household items to medical equipment. One of the most common application is electric motors and generators. Another example is hard drives and magnetic tapes that use the magnetic field to encode store digital data. Magnets are also used in medical equipment such as MRI machines. Yes, I can see that documentary accurately represent the scientific principles related to magnetism. Yes, there are scenes that raise my curiosity about magnetism, especially the use of new materials such as earth magnets and developing new techniques and magnetization. The portrayal of magnetism in the documentary is very helpful for me to understand more about magnetism. In conclusion, the magnetism is a force generated in matter by the motion of electrons within its atoms. The documentary represents the importance of magnets and its use through media or documentary. We can easily understand the important topics of magnetism.